Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix stuck or pending transaction on Coinbase app. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to make a transaction on Coinbase app but it is showing you a pending error, then here are some fixes you could try out. If you see a pending error on your Coinbase transaction, then it means that the recipient hasn't accepted your transaction yet. In order to fix the issue, you can simply cancel the payment to return the funds to your account. To do so, simply log into your Coinbase account by opening up a web browser and type in www.coinbase.com and search. Go ahead and log into your Coinbase account with the help of a web browser. In order to do so, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right and tap on Sign In. Enter your Coinbase account's credentials by typing in your email in the first text box and tap Continue. Type in your password on the next field and tap on the Continue button again. Once you log into your Coinbase account, select the asset of your pending transaction. Locate and select the pending transaction to display the cancel payment option and click on cancel payment. Once you cancel your payment, the funds will be available again in your balance, and that way you'll be able to fix your Coinbase transaction pending error. Even if you don't cancel the transaction, do not worry at all. If the funds aren't accepted by the recipient within 30 days of the send, the fund will be returned to your account automatically. That is how you can easily fix stuck or pending transaction on Coinbase app. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.